the first me tell her that.
Oh my God! Yeah, one next episode, personal chef service. Silver palms. Yeah, that's the other thing.
Now go straight.
Left. So I got silver palms. Alright, people. Oh my God. Yeah. So we're heading to the Silver Palms, you know. Chef Life JA. Best personal chef service in Jamaica. Oh my God. Welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Service. You don't know Chef Life JA. Oh my God. So you don't know, so we're up on Jules, Grande, in Montego Bay. Yeah, I provide service right now for clients. Oh my God. Yes. Tell people. Welcome to best personal chef service in Jamaica. No doubt about it. Alright? So yeah, man, so yo, remember kind of tell a friend about the best personal service in Jamaica. Alright? And if you're ever visiting the beautiful island of Jamaica, tell a friend. You have to book our service at Jules right now. We don't work here, you know, but we got bookings for over here. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do what we're getting paid to do. And that's providing the best service. So yeah. So make sure, say yo, y'all do the right thing. Like, comment, and share. Oh my God. A link to book this location will be in the description, alright? Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. So remember saying, when I work at them place, I know people. Yeah. So we get booking seat. Yeah. You see that? Yeah. Best personal chef service. Remember that we don't work here, but we get bookings. Oh my God. Oh my God, so today we're having a birthday dinner for two, okay? Yeah, at Jules Grande, alright? Yeah, oh my God. Oh, by Silver Palms, alright? So remember to tell a friend, tell a friend. The link to book this location will be in the description, okay? Yeah, man, so on the menu today we're gonna have some SW's fish and we're gonna have some nice iPod soup with some ginger rice and peas. Oh my God. That is it, and some jerk barbecue shrimp, alright? So that is our menu for today. And let us do it, alright? So remember, tell a friend, go to this personal service. Remember, the link to book this location will be in the description, alright? Oh my God. Yeah. So yeah, welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Service. It's Personal Chef Service. I'm going to air. Oh my God. Oh my God, welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Service. Yeah. You know, so we're on the Jules Grande right now, and we're here, we're going to pick a birthday dinner for two right now, alright? Yeah, man. So people remember, you know, tell a friend about the best personal chef service in Jamaica. Alright? Yeah, so remember, so later on you all get to see how it goes down, alright? Yeah, man, so stay tuned. Link to book this location will be in the description. Okay? Yeah. So don't worry on yourself. Jules. Yeah, and don't give up on the dream. Okay, people say, oh, grab off your eyes and sorry. Shall we get rid of things and get us all like ingredients somewhere so we have to use it to make all the ingredients right now. Traffic. Oh my god! Yeah, so you don't know say rice with peas on it. Easy as I go and bubble right now. Yeah. And also big rest of items in the show. Okay. Oh my god. Remember, tell a friend about this person I shall serve. So if you have any question, remember, just send me an email, okay? If you're interested in such a service, all you gotta do is send me an email, alright? Oh my god, remember to like, share, and comment, okay? Until I can. Yay! It's there like